Welcome to the Bughunting contest session. This contest imitates part of the real work of the developers in Linux distributions like Fedora or Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Your task will be to fix bugs in applications written in various programming languages like C, Python, Bash, Perl, Java, or Javscript. What is extra important is that participants need to be pre-registered to be able to compete with others. So please do so ahead of the competition as soon as possible, please. During the registration, you can pick the time that best suits your schedule, and each round takes about 50 minutes. After the registration, you will receive a mail with BlueJeans link and also a machine name that you will need for connecting to the competition. A detailed version of these instructions is available under howto.bughunting.cz. Since the open house is a virtual event this year and everybody needs to work on computer during this contest, we use a concept of Linux containers to have a common platform for the contest, so participants need to install either Podman or Docker. The instructions on the upstream documentation, please. So there are instructions for various operating systems, so pick the one you need. Then you will need to pull the container image and test whether it works. This testing is very important, so I really recommend to do it before the contest because you can find some issues during the way. In short, it works like this. You create an empty directory, you run the container with this directory mounted, you use the key that you will be provided, and this command runs the container on the background. This is the -d option. So then you need to exec to the container using docker exec, and you can check that there is just one task in the testing container. You go to the directory and try hunt, which evaluates whether your solution is correct. We didn't do anything, so the solution is not correct. So we didn't get any points, but we can fix it. So we can edit the script.sh file, fix the message to say hello, and then run the hunt again. And yeah, if it works, that it prints the hello with double L, we get 1 point. Remember that if you use the Podman and use this way how to bind the directory, you can also edit the source code directly in this directory or in your favorite IDE or text editor. For the contest itself, you will join the BlueJeans Prime Time, so you will be able to talk to the organizers. And just before your round begins, you will need to sign up with the machine name that you will be given by the mail after registration. Then you will be provided with the specific command with this key that will be unique for you. And once you start this new container, it will be much faster than the original one because the most data are the same and with the testing image. And then you can work the same, using the docker exec as before. So once the competition starts, you can also see the list of the tasks. And you can read the description of the problem, try to reproduce the problem inside the container. And once you understand what the issue is, You can open the code again within your favorite IDE or inside the container. You fix the problem in the source code and submit the task with the hunt command again. If you are stuck, don't forget that there are some hints on the task description page that you can reveal, but you will also lose 1 point from the maximum number of points for that task. The goal is to get as many points as possible. If you like this kind of puzzles, do not forget to say hello to our talent acquisition team on a Google chat under this URL and see what talents we are looking for now. And good luck in the competition.